All right, my friends, so your door doesn't want to stay open. Maybe it slams shut. Well, this is your issue right here. The door check is broken, so let's fix it. So right here, a lot of people have issues not being able to get a socket onto that bolt because of this door check is right in front of it. So what you're going to do is grab a flathead and you're just going to go right here and you're going to just pry it open just like that, and then you're going to keep prying it open so you can get a socket on that. Now that we have access to this bolt, we're going to go ahead and grab a 12mm and we're going to go ahead and pop that off. So once you get that bolt off, we're going to focus on these two 10mm. So let's go ahead and pop this open so we can get to that. All right, so the next thing you're going to want to do is grab yourself a pick tool and you're going to come right back here and you're going to pop this forward. It's going to take a little force, but just like that, you can pop it off. So now we have access to that Phillips right there that has to come out. Next, you're going to grab your flathead and you're going to come right here and we got to pop this panel right off. All you got to do is pry a little bit and this bad boy should come right off just like that. Once you get that off, you're going to come right here and you're going to lift this little guard up and it's going to reveal another Phillips right there. So let's pop that off. So once you get all those Phillips out, you're going to come down here to the bottom and you're going to see this little slit right here. Big enough to stick your flathead right in so you can start prying. But not so fast. Be careful when you're prying because you can bend this whole bottom panel and you don't want that. Let's keep going. So once you get it loose, you're going to come back to the top and you're going to lift up on the panel and it's gonna come off. But hold your horses because we still have some connectors that we gotta disconnect. We have one right here. You just push that, pop off. And then you got a couple right here. Same thing. You push that, pop it off. Over here, push that, pop it off. So instead of taking off the actual lock mechanism, I just moved the panel to the side, sat it on something because we just need access to this speaker right here. We need an 8mm to take off 1, 2, 3, 4. And by the way, I will leave a full inventory, tools, and parts list towards the end. And now we can remove the speaker. And boom, there you see the latch. That's what we need. All right, so let's pull this bad boy out. Boom, let's grab the new one. Here's the new one. We're going to go ahead and slide that bad boy right in. So the first thing I would do if I were you when you slide that in is put those two nuts on first because you can open the door wider to line this one up. And we install everything in reverse order. Nothing special here. All right, my friends, so the tools you're going to need for this job is going to be an 8mm socket, 10mm socket, 12mm shallow socket, an extension, pick tool, Phillips head, flathead, ratchet, and the part. And boom, just like that, you fixed your 2017 Kia Sedona door check. Always remember, if I can fix it, you can fix it.